This demonstration is on the advanced image rotator. You probably saw earlier the simple image rotator demonstration that we went through. This one's going to be very similar in the administration. You'll actually only see one key difference in the administration of it. But then the actual slideshow itself is a lot more advanced and has a lot more features within it. So I'm going to go ahead and go to the admin panel for it first. This will show you the back end, the different images, and things of that nature that we have on here. You can see that it's just like the basic image rotator. You have the option to edit each image. You have the image itself. Then you have, this is the one difference, is there's a caption on here. Then you have the same link and sort order on there as well. So what this advanced image rotator is going to allow you to do, it's going to allow you to cycle through images, but also have a caption on there as well. So it'll behave more like a promotional announcement. So it's generally what we use these for, is for homepage promos, things of that nature. And I'll show you the way it's styled kind of at the end, just so that you can see from a user perspective how they're going to see this. So you can see I've got 3 images on here right now with captions. So if I wanted to edit any of these, I can just click on the edit pencil, and here I can choose the image right here. You can see it. This is using up image right now. I can put in a caption, and then I can choose what page that this is going to link to. So you can see that this one is using the up image. The caption will say this is a test caption, and then it's going to go to the HTML editor page. And the sort order for it's number 10, so this should be the first one that shows. If I wanted to add another one on here, all I would do is scroll to the bottom and click on Add New Record. So right now I have 3 images on here. If I want to add a 4th one, I just click on Add New Record. I'm just going to use one that I've already uploaded, so I'm just going to pick an image on here. I'm going to use this Nemo image, and I'm going to write, this is the Nemo demonstration. And I'm just going to choose a page, kind of at random here. I'm just going to choose the branch locator page. I'm going to put the sort order as 95, so this will be the last one to show. And then just click on Update. And you can see now I've got a 4th image, which is at the bottom. Actually, I kind of made a mistake there and used the same image that I did for the second one, but either way, this will work just fine for demonstration purposes. So I've got 4 different images on there, all with captions. Now to see the actual slideshow, I'm just going to type in this slideshow button, and you can see that it creates a slideshow. It's similar to the basic slideshow with a couple exceptions. One, it's got this caption on here that shows up at the bottom, so you can see whenever an image changes, it's going to actually change the caption as well. You got a few other things on here as well to notice. You notice it doesn't use just a simple fade. It actually uses some different transition effects, and those can be customized to whatever transition effect that you want, just like the basic image rotator. The 2 main things that this does, aside from the caption, is it gives you the ability to cycle through these yourself. So you can notice when I mouse over the image rotator, it's going to stop rotating, but it's going to give me a couple arrows that you can see. They're semi-transparent, so they might be a little hard to see in this demonstration, but you can see there's a previous and a next arrow. So if I click the previous arrow, it's going to go to the previous ad, and similarly, if I click the next arrow, it'll cycle to the next one, again using a random transition on here. You also have kind of a navigation breadcrumbs here at the bottom as well, which gives the user the ability to see how many ads there are, which ad they are on the rotation, just kind of a bookmark of how many ads there are and where they've been. This is just one of the advanced image rotators that we use. These can be customized to however you want. This is just kind of an out-of-the-box solution, but these can be customized to exactly what you want. If you want these arrows to stand out more, if you want it to be a different size, if you want the caption to be in a different size box instead of at the bottom or placed somewhere in particular. All these things can be customized. So it's a very, very, very uh, uh, powerful tool to use. And again, it's generally used for homepage promos, things of that nature, but it can be used on pages outside of that as well. So that'll conclude our demonstration.